Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you step by step through building a powerful KPI dashboard in Monday.com, updated for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to transform raw data into clear, actionable insights that actually drive results, whether you're steering a small team or managing a growing business. Let's dive right in with the foundation, defining your objectives and KPIs. This part sets the tone for your entire dashboard, so it's worth slowing down and thinking it through. First, map out your business objectives. What are you really trying to achieve? Maybe you're focused on boosting revenue, or perhaps you want to increase customer satisfaction. The key here is to be specific. Vague goals lead to vague results. Once you've got your objectives nailed down, choose KPIs or key performance indicators that truly reflect those goals. Make sure they're measurable. For example, instead of just aiming for better customer support, you might track average response time or customer retention rate. And here's a pro tip. Mix both leading and lagging indicators. Leading indicators help you predict future trends, while lagging indicators measure what's already happened. Think of it like driving a car. You want to keep an eye on the road ahead, but also check your rearview mirror. Now, ensure your data is reliable. Accuracy is everything here. Double-check that the data sources you plan to use are trustworthy and that you actually have access to them within Monday.com. If you're pulling sales data, is it up to date and correct? Run a quick test. Try a manual calculation to make sure your numbers add up, and decide how often you'll update these figures so your dashboard stays relevant. With your KPIs locked in and your data sources vetted, it's time to move on to the fun part, creating your dashboard in Monday.com. Head into the workspace where you want the dashboard to live. You'll see an Add Item to Workspace button. Click that and choose New Dashboard. Take a moment to name your dashboard something meaningful, like 2025 Sales KPIs or Customer Success Overview, so everyone knows what they're looking at. You'll also have the chance to select privacy settings. If your dashboard contains sensitive info, use these options to keep your data safe and visible only to the right people. Next, you'll want to connect your data boards. This is essentially telling your dashboard where to find the numbers it needs. To do this, click Add Widget. That opens up the Widget Center, which is like your dashboard's toolbox. Here, select the boards that hold your most important data. Small detail that's crucial. Ensure your board's columns are properly set up for the KPIs you intend to visualize. For example, if you want to chart revenue trends, double-check you have a column tracking revenue values and a date or time column. Now, let's bring your dashboard to life with widgets. Monday.com offers a variety, numbers, chart, goals, each designed for a different type of KPI. Think of widgets as lenses that help you see your data clearly. Choose the right widget for each KPI, and in the settings, specify exactly which board column and segment of data you want to pull. For instance, in the chart widget, pick the revenue column, select monthly or quarterly view, and instantly visualize trends over time. A great touch is to add a benchmark line. This lets you set a target on your chart so you can instantly see how close you are to your goals, almost like having a finish line marked on a racetrack. Finally, don't forget to use filters. This step lets you slice your data, maybe by individual team members, departments, or customer segments, to get more relevant insights. Sometimes the most valuable information is hiding just beneath the surface, and filters help you uncover it. Once you've got your widgets laid out and configured, take a step back and review. Don't worry if you missed something. You can always tweak and update as you go. Remember, dashboards are living documents. They're meant to grow and adapt with your business. And there you have it, a customized KPI dashboard in Monday.com, ready to help you make smarter decisions. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want me to cover another Monday.com feature, and subscribe for more insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.